If you're depending on brightening body lotions alone to give you a soft glowing skin, well, you are wrong. The truth is that brightening body lotions will not or may not give you that glowing, soft and smooth skin that you actually want. Well guys, if you want to have a skin that is soft, smooth and glowing, well, you need a hydrating body lotion. Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. And guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about hydrating body lotions. Now, why is it important for you to use hydrating body lotions, or why is it good for you to hydrate your skin? Well, an hydrated skin is not just about looking good alone, but it's about also maintaining your skin's barrier or having a healthy skin barrier. And now guys, let me tell you what something that you guys might not know. The thing is, when you use so many active skincare ingredients or skincare products that have so many active ingredients in it, your skin barrier might end up getting compromised, in the sense that your skin barrier might end up getting weakened if you're constantly using only skincare products that contain strong brightening active skincare ingredients. Like maybe you're using a body lotion that contains maybe kojic acid or maybe glutathione and the rest. The thing is, if you're frequently using those things like every time, your skin's barrier might end up getting compromised. And that is the reason why hydrating body lotions are very important, because when you use your hydrating body lotions to alternate your brightening body lotions, guys, your skin's barrier is going to be healthy. And not just that, your skin is going to be so smooth and soft. Yeah, I'm going to have that glowing skin, that shiny glowing skin that you've always wanted and desired. Okay, the importance of hydration is that it gives you a plump and radiant skin. It also gives you a soft and smooth skin. It also helps to reduce irritation and also dryness, and it also slows down early signs of aging. Before we get right into some of the hydrating body lotions I have for you guys in this video, if you guys haven't subscribed yet to my channel, guys, just subscribe to my channel, like my video, share, and also leave your comment. And without further ado, guys, let us get right into the hydrating body lotions. And the first body lotion on my list is the one from the Vaseline, and that's the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant Lotion. Guys, this one is very good. Especially if you're maybe a darker skin tone, this body lotion is amazing. It contains ingredients like cocoa butter and Vaseline jelly, so it is very good and it is very hydrating. So even if you're using a brightening body lotion, or maybe you're using like a retinol body lotion, or using maybe a AHA or a BHA body lotion, and you're looking for something to alternate it with, well, you guys can use this one. It is very good. And if you suffer from stretch marks, well guys, it's going to also help to improve the appearance of your stretch marks and scars. Okay, this body lotion is amazing, and your skin is going to look soft and it's going to glow. So if you have a dark skin tone and you're looking for like the very good body lotion that you can use for your dark skin tone, well guys, this body lotion is good. Like, it's going to leave your skin feeling all soft and smooth at the end of the day. Okay, and you can actually alternate it with any of your active body lotions. Maybe you're using maybe a retinol body lotion or a AHA body lotion or a BHA body lotion. Well, this particular body lotion, you can use it as an alternate, okay, to that particular body lotion. Now, the next body lotion on my list is the one from CeraVe, and that's the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Guys, this one is another amazing body lotion that I would actually recommend. Well, this particular body lotion contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid and 3 essential ceramides. Guys, this particular body lotion is going to help to restore your skin's barrier. So if you have a damaged skin barrier, maybe you've used so many lightening skincare products, or maybe you've used so many active skincare products and your skin barrier has been damaged, well guys, this one's going to help to repair your skin's barrier, and it's also going to help to hydrate your skin. Like, you see that soft skin that you want, this body lotion is going to give it to you. That soft, smooth skin that you desire, this body lotion is going to do it for you. So if you have a sensitive skin, you guys can actually try out this one as well, because it contains ceramide and hyaluronic acid. It doesn't contain any serious it doesn't contain any strong or serious ingredients. So guys, this particular body lotion is good for all skin types. If you have a sensitive skin, you guys can try this one out and you're good to go. Okay, and guys, you can also alternate it with any of your maybe brightening or lightening body lotions. Maybe the days in which you're not going to be using any of those ones, you can actually use this one as well. Guys, the next body lotion on my list is one from the Aveeno, and that's the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Guys, this one is one of my best, and this particular body lotion contains ingredients like colloidal oatmeal. Like, it is good for people who have sensitive. If you have a sensitive skin, run and buy this particular body lotion. Like, you don't sleep on this lotion. This one is amazing. Okay, it is really amazing. It's fragrance free as well. So if you have a sensitive skin and looking for a very good body lotion to use, guys, use this one. It is very good and it's super hydrating. Okay, super hydrating, just leave your skin feeling soft and smooth, looking radiant. Guys, this lotion is superb. Like, you guys shouldn't sleep on it at all, because it also means it's going to help to control irritation. Like, if you easily get irritated by using skincare products, but also it's going to help to calm your skin. So if you have a sensitive skin, guys, this lotion is good for you, but it's also equally good for all skin types as well. If you know this is like also suffer from irritation, skin irritation, maybe you have maybe you suffer from itchiness, dryness, and maybe you suffer from body eczema, guys, this particular body lotion is going to help you tackle those particular skincare issues or concerns. Okay, the next body lotion on my list is one from EOS, and that's the EOS Shea Butter 24-hour moisture body lotion. Guys, this particular body lotion is amazing. It's packed with ingredients like shea butter and natural oils. Like, it contains shea butter and natural oils. This particular body lotion is superb. It is amazing. Okay, it contains scents like vanilla, cashmere, and coconut. But if you have a sensitive skin, I want you to perform a skin patch test first before making use of this particular body lotion, because it comes with a strong scent. Okay, the scent is not so offensive, but if you have a sensitive skin, you want to be very careful, you want to be extra careful when getting skincare products. But guys, this particular body lotion is amazing. So it is a very good hydrating body lotion, and it's going to leave your skin feeling soft and glowing. Like, you're gonna leave your skin feeling soft and smooth at the end of the day. Okay, that shiny look that you want your skin to look like, you want your skin to have, but this particular body lotion is going to give it to you. Okay, and you can alternate it with any of your maybe brightening, lightening, or maybe treatment body lotions. Okay, the days in which you're not using them, you can make use of this one. It is superb as well. So the next body lotion on my list is the Face Factor Hyaluronic Acid body lotion. Guys, this one is very good. So if you're on a budget and you want to get something that is way affordable, or you can go for the Face Factor Hyaluronic Acid body lotion. Guys, this one is also very good. Like, contains hyaluronic acid, which is a hydrating skincare ingredient. So if you want to go, if you're on a budget and you want something that is way affordable for you, well guys, this particular one from Face Fact is a go-to, and it's going to actually help to hydrate your skin, and it's going to also help your skin feel smooth, okay, and soft. And this particular one thing I like about this particular body lotion is the fact that it is lightweight. Okay, it absorbs quickly into the skin, okay, and doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy. So this particular body lotion is a go-to. So the next body lotion on my list is one from Neutrogena, and that's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost body lotion. Guys, yes, Neutrogena Hydro Boost actually has a body lotion, and this is it. Well, this one contains hyaluronic acid and glycerin. It is very good. Okay, it is very good. Like, if you're thinking about anything that has to do with hydration or moisturizing the skin, well, you should think about ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin, because they are two ingredients that you shouldn't joke with. Yeah, when it comes to hydration, you shouldn't joke with it, because it is very good. It's going to bring back moisture into your skin. It's going to make your skin feel soft. It's actually a very good one. Like, it is very lightweight as well. It's going to absorb really well into your skin. It leaves your skin, doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy at all. Like, it's superb on the skin. Well guys, you guys can actually try this particular one out. Okay, you can try it out. It's actually very good as well. Now the next body lotion on my list is one from E45. Now this one is another alternate to the Aveno. The reason why I said so is because it does equally almost the same thing that the Aveno does, in the sense that if you have a dry, sensitive, and eczema prone skin, you guys can use this one. Yes, you guys can use this one. Hydrating body lotions are very good. Like, they are very good. If you know your skin easily gets irritated, guys, you guys can use this particular E45. It is so good on the skin. It is really good on the skin, guys. And it is also fragrance free. So if you know that your skin easily gets reactions, like if you know you have reaction, like anything your skin reacts to it, you see this E45 and Aveno, you guys can get any of it, and your skin will love you and thank you for it. And the last but not the least body lotion on my list is one from the Nivea. Like, when I'm talking about hydration, I'm talking about Nivea. The one from Nivea is the Nivea Sheer Smooth body lotion. Guys, this one is good. Okay, it contains ingredients like shea butter and deep moisture serum. Guys, this one is superb. Like, there's no way I'm talking about hydrating body lotions and not mention Nivea, because Nivea is super good when it comes to hydration. Guys, this one is amazing. Like, it leaves your skin feeling moisturized or hydrated for a long period of time. I know if you have a dry skin, like your skin is really dry and you want your skin to actually feel moisturized for like 24 hours, guys, this particular one is good. Okay, now guys, these are all the hydrating body lotions that I have for you guys today. Now I'll give you guys a simple tip on how to make use of, or the best way I would say that I like to use my hydrating body lotions. I like using my hydrating body lotions in the daytime. Yeah, I love using them in the daytime and not at night. Okay, I prefer using them in the daytime or in days in which I'm not making use of my skin active body lotions. Yeah, so that's the best time to use it. Want to also play safe. Yeah, if you want to play safe, this is how I do my thing. Like, I like to play safe. I don't like to do so much, so I like to use my hydrating body lotions in the daytime. Then at night is when I go for my active ingredients, my active skincare ingredients, my active skincare body lotions, maybe my AHA body lotions or my BHA body lotion or my Retinol body lotion in the night. Then nights which I'm not using it, I will then go in with my hydrating body lotion. That is what I do. I don't do too much, guys. Skincare is not that difficult, it's not that hard. Just understand it and you're good to go. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know under the comment section your thoughts about my video, and if you have questions, guys, let me know in the comment section. And if there's any other video you guys want me to make for you, let me also know that under the comment section, and I will gladly do that for you guys. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. So till then, bye.